Welcome to part 5 of our definitive guide to the ultimate folding knives for survival and self-defense in 2026. When space is limited, but failure isn't an option, a premium pocket-sized folder is your frontline asset. Today, we're evaluating 10 more overbuilt tactical blades engineered with next-gen super steels and unbreakable locking mechanisms. From lightning-fast deployment setups to high-traction ergonomic grips, these pocket powerhouses are built to endure brutal field use. Let's break down today's elite lineup. The Zero Tolerance 0308 is a heavyweight folding knife built for those who demand maximum strength in a compact form. Designed for hard use, this tactical beast features a 3.75-inch CPM 20 CV stainless steel blade offering exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting power. Its aggressive drop-point profile and black oxide finish give it both visual appeal and battlefield-ready functionality. Opening is fast and smooth thanks to ZT's KVT ball bearing system and robust flipper tab, while the titanium frame lock with steel lock bar insert ensures rock-solid blade security during intense use. The front handle scale is made from textured G10 for a no-slip grip, even in wet or gloved conditions. Whether you're tackling survival tasks or facing urban threats, the ZT0308 is engineered to perform under pressure. Built in the USA and crafted like a tank, this knife is a no-nonsense tool for serious users who need reliability above all. The Kizer Sheepdog XL is a bold, oversized folding knife designed to dominate heavy-duty tasks with brute strength and style. Sporting a massive 4-inch blade made from premium 154cm stainless steel, this cleaver-style beast delivers outstanding cutting power, edge retention, and corrosion resistance perfect for survival, self-defense, or everyday utility on a larger scale. Its wide blade excels at slicing, chopping, and push cuts, while the stone-washed finish adds durability and rugged aesthetics. The smooth ball-bearing pivot system allows for effortless one-handed deployment via the flipper tab, making it fast and responsive in urgent situations. The G10 handle scales are contoured for a secure, ergonomic grip, providing control and confidence during intense use. Despite its size, the Sheepdog XL feels balanced and manageable in hand. Whether you're tackling the outdoors or standing your ground, the Kizer Sheepdog XL is a folding powerhouse built for those who believe bigger is better. The SOG XR is a rugged, high-performance tactical knife designed for military, law enforcement, and hardcore survivalists. Built to handle extreme conditions, this made-in-the-USA knife delivers the strength and reliability needed for high-stakes missions. Featuring a 3.9-inch cryogenically heat-treated CPMS 35VN steel blade, the XR offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. Its partially serrated clip-point design makes it ideal for both cutting and piercing tasks. What sets this knife apart is its XR lock mechanism, allowing smooth, ambidextrous one-handed deployment with a simple flick of the thumb or finger. The glass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions, making it a reliable tool in combat or survival situations. With its military-grade build, razor-sharp edge, and fast deployment, the SOG XR is a top-tier tactical folder built for real-world performance. The Hogue EX-A01 is a premium automatic folding knife designed for tactical and everyday carry. Engineered for durability, speed, and precision, this knife features a 3.5-inch or 4-inch blade, depending on the variant, crafted from 154cm stainless steel, known for its edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. The blade comes in a drop-point or tauntaun style, offering versatility for cutting, piercing, and slicing tasks. Equipped with push-button automatic deployment, the XA01 ensures rapid one-handed opening, making it ideal for emergency and tactical situations. The safety lock mechanism prevents accidental deployment, adding to its reliability. Its ergonomic aluminum handle, available in multiple finishes, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even under tough conditions. Whether for self-defense, military, or outdoor survival, the Hogue EX-A01 delivers high-performance cutting power and rapid deployment, making it a top choice for professionals and knife enthusiasts. The Benchmade Mini Presidio 2 is a compact powerhouse designed for those who demand performance, durability, and reliability in a folding knife. Featuring a 3.2-inch drop-point blade made from premium CPMS3 OV stainless steel, it offers outstanding edge retention, corrosion resistance, and slicing power, perfect for tactical tasks and survival needs. The knife uses Benchmade's signature axis lock, providing rock-solid security and smooth, ambidextrous one-handed operation. Its precision-machined aluminum handle is lightweight, yet incredibly tough, with deep grooves for an enhanced grip even in wet or high-stress situations. Weighing just 3.2 ounces, the Mini Presidio 2 is easy to carry without sacrificing strength. A reversible deep carry pocket clip adds discreet portability, making it ideal for EDC, self-defense, or field use. Rugged, compact, and engineered to perform under pressure, the Mini Presidio 2 lives up to Benchmade's legacy of excellence, making it a top-tier choice for anyone serious about their folding knife gear. The SOG Vision XR is a high-performance tactical folding knife built for speed, strength, and serious situations. It features a 3.4-inch Tonta blade crafted from cryo-treated CTSX HP steel, offering superior edge retention, hardness, and corrosion resistance. The aggressive Tonta shape provides excellent piercing capability, while the partially serrated edge adds versatility for cutting through tough materials. Equipped with SOG's XR locking mechanism, the Vision XR delivers rock-solid blade lockup and lightning-fast one-handed deployment using the thumb stud, flipper tab, or wrist flick. Its G10 handle scales ensure a secure, grippy feel in all conditions, even under gloves or in wet environments. The ambidextrous design, coupled with a 4-position pocket clip, makes it ideal for left or right-handed users. With its blend of rugged construction, tactical styling, and real-world utility, the Vision XR stands out as a dependable choice for EDC, survival, or self-defense situations where reliability matters most. The Kizer Cormorant is a modern folding knife that blends sleek design with serious performance. Featuring a 3.5-inch blade made from premium CPMS3 5VN steel, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting efficiency. The unique sheep's foot blade shape offers superior control for precision tasks while still being versatile enough for everyday and tactical use. One of the standout features of the Cormorant is its button lock mechanism paired with dual thumb studs and a front flipper, allowing for smooth, fidget-friendly deployment from multiple angles. The handle scales, often crafted from stylish micarta or G10, provide a lightweight yet secure grip with an ergonomic feel in hand. Its reversible deep carry pocket clip ensures discreet and comfortable carry. Bold in appearance and fluid in function, the Kizer Cormorant isn't just an EDC knife. It's a statement piece that offers cutting-edge performance for users who value innovation, design, and utility in one sleek package. The Kershaw Emerson CQC6K is a rugged folding knife that combines Emerson's tactical design with Kershaw's precision manufacturing. This 3.5-inch blade is crafted from 8CR1 for MOV stainless steel, offering a solid balance of sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The stone-washed and satin finish enhances the blade's toughness while giving it a sleek, tactical look. One of its standout features is the Emerson Wave Opener, allowing for lightning-fast deployment straight from the pocket. This knife also includes a thumb disc for manual opening, ensuring versatility in any situation. The handle combines G10 on the front for grip and stainless steel on the back with a frame lock, ensuring a secure hold and solid lockup. Whether for self-defense, everyday carry, or tactical use, the Kershaw Emerson CQC6K delivers battle-proven design and reliable performance, making it a must-have for knife enthusiasts and survivalists alike. The CIVIVI Yonder is officially the best buy of the year for 2024, and in 2026, it remains a top-tier choice for any survival or self-defense rotation. Designed by Zach Whitmore, this folder is built for those who need a compact, hard-use tool that feels almost weightless in the pocket while delivering full-sized cutting performance. It features a 2.88-inch spay-point blade, crafted from premium Sandvik 1 for C218 stainless steel, known for its incredible toughness and corrosion resistance. The overall length is a discrete 6.62 inch with a closed length of 3.74 inch. Despite its solid full tang feel and contoured G10 or micarta handles, it weighs in at just 2.53 ounce. Equipped with a smooth crossbar lock and caged ceramic ball bearings, the Yonder offers lightning-fast, ambidextrous deployment. The Kizer Original 2 is a refined evolution of one of the beloved EDC folders in the industry. For 2026, it remains a standout due to its clean minimalist lines and integration of Kizer's innovative clutch lock system, which allows you to adjust the internal spring tension for a truly custom opening and closing experience. It features a razor-sharp 3.2-inch blade, typically crafted from Elite S45VN steel for superior edge retention. The overall length of the knife is 7.31 inch, offering a full hand grip while maintaining a slim pocket profile. The blade thickness is a precision-cut 0.11 inch. Despite its robust feel and titanium or aluminum handle scales, it is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 3.38 ounce. With its reversible deep carry clip, it is an essential, high-performance ambidextrous masterpiece.